Hi, I'm Vipul Sheth. I'm the MD of AdvanceTrack Outsourcing. We're a financial outsourcing business based in Coventry, but with offices in India, from where we deliver most of our services. We do financial back office processing mainly for accountants and corporates, where we will do work that would otherwise be done by staff in the UK, but the idea being that the client is able to deliver additional value because instead of doing compliance work, we're actually doing advisory work, particularly for accountants where they can earn additional fees from the same time. What we are is we're part of the supply chain that delivers the service that the end client sees the overall result, but the idea being that they receive a better service from the accountant because the compliance work has been done more cost effectively, leaving that additional time for the value-added services that the client relies upon and now increasingly expects from their accountant. Obviously, we exchange information with our clients, and that is financially sensitive. Some of it is personal, and we also deal with high-profile individuals and people and businesses. So the security around our application has to be top-notch. So the encryption techniques that we use around our servers, both in terms of the actual access to the data, but also in terms of the data transfers, is absolutely critical to give confidence to our customers and ultimately to their clients that we're maintaining that data effectively and securely. What we also have is an extra level of security within our processing centres, which, unless the member of staff is sat at their specified location, even though it's a web-based application, they're unable to access that financial information. What we don't want is someone selling our clients' data at a cafe to some unscrupulous people. Without a high degree of security around the data, our customers are naturally nervous because they have responsibilities under the Data Protection Act for them to maintain their clients' data effectively. So if they're subcontracting work to us or organisations like us, they want the confidence that that data does not put their own reputation at risk as a result of poor security measures, which, because a lot of businesses in this space still don't have that degree of security. So for us, it was an absolutely essential part of our offering to be ultra secure, to give those people who were nervous, naturally, to pass that work through to us. In the accounting space, there's a growing number of cloud-based applications. To name Xero or QuickBooks Online, they're probably going to be the two major winners around the world, not just in the UK. And the reason that they are going to become more prevalent is because, one, phones are becoming the means of communication to the internet, and the apps that are now available from all those major providers are making it a normal thing that actually, I've just bought a train ticket, I'll snap the train ticket and upload it straight into my accounting system, whereas before it would have gone into an expense claim, etc. So that is going to change the way that people see how accounting and how, I suppose, in a way, collaboration, but sharing that financial information in a real-time dynamic way. Superfast broadband, for our business, it's probably not so much for us on a day-to-day basis because we're not exchanging information. Obviously, our servers are connected using Superfast broadband, but most importantly, our client and customer experience of using our servers is that much improved because upload times are better, so they're not hanging around thinking, well, has this file uploaded or not, as the case may be. One other thing that we as a business do is we do use VoIP, whereas before we didn't use it very extensively because there was drop calls, poor reception. we're now much more able to use it because the reception is much more clear. Our business is offshore. Most of our team are in India. We've got a very small team here, but we don't need to have a large team here. Our main requirement here is sales, customer support, IT support. That's the main thing in terms of our business here. In India, it's all about the delivery process. That's all delivered from overseas. But without broadband, that just wouldn't be possible. At the moment, our clients are UK based, but we anticipate over the next 12 to 18 months that we will expand beyond the UK. Our infrastructure is already in place to deliver. We don't plan to have multiple server farms across the world. We have a single server location, and we will use that to expand beyond the UK. We would certainly have sales teams in the countries that we identify as being suitable for the services that we offer.